Friends, so I'm back with the video on latest Gulf jobs today. I'm going to cover more than 50 plus job posting in today's video. You will get job for all the Gulf countries, all category jobs, and there are many free recruitments as well. So please don't skip, watch complete video so that you should not miss any opportunity. And friends, I would like to mention one thing here, that whenever consultant asks you to submit your documents or passport, make sure that you have cross-checked everything at your end with your sources, and then only you submit the passport or documents. Be careful. And those who are new on this channel, then please subscribe so that you should get daily job alerts. This posting is for Qatar, and this is for a oil and gas construction project. Positions are project secretary, project document controllers, workshop supervisors, crane supervisors, plant and machinery inspectors. Candidate must have minimum 5 plus years of experience in oil and gas construction project. Overseas experience is mandatory. You can send your documents on sin1@sinclass.com to apply for these positions. Next is for Oman. It's a long-term contract. Position is turnaround execution lead. You can read the detailed requirement. Salary range is 1600 to 1800 Omani Riyal. Second position is turnaround senior planning engineer. Here are also detailed requirements are given. 8 plus years of experience is required, and salary range is 1500 to 1600 Omani Riyal, including food and accommodation. So you can see contact details. Locations are Mumbai, Kochi, Trichy and Chennai. So you can approach to your nearest location. Next is for Zamil Cool Care, Saudi Arabia, and this is for HVAC maintenance project. Positions are chiller technicians and HVAC control technicians. ITI or diploma in relevant field with 5 years of experience in repair, troubleshooting, maintenance of package unit, FCU, AHU, ductable system, chillers, central HVAC systems, and knowledge of air water balancing, commissioning of these HVAC systems. Here the contact details are same. You can take a screenshot if needed. Next is for Abu Dhabi, and these all are accounting positions. So the first position is senior accountant for a retail estate. Salary will be 4,500 to 5,000 AED. You can read out the detailed requirement. Second position is assistant finance controller. Salary range is 10,000 to 12,000 AED. Minimum 5 years of experience in field of finance and accounting as a senior level is required. Qualifications are CPA, CA, CMA, MBA is a plus. Next is senior accountant for poultry. Salary range is 5,000 to 6,000. You can see the detailed requirement for this position. Contact details and addresses are the same. Next is for Saudi Arabia, Al Khobar, and it's a golden opportunity for sales and marketing candidates. This is for sales, marketing, business development professionals, construction equipment rentals, local manpower supply and overseas recruitment. You can see the detailed requirement, and locations and contact detail are the same for this position as well. Next is for Saudi Arabia. Client interview will be on 16th of September at ITL head office Mumbai, and the position is senior project accountant lead. You can see the detailed requirement is given in the posting, so you can take a screenshot if needed. You can see the contact details and email IDs given below. Please share your updated CV for the shortlisting. Next is for SAIPEM hiring for Saudi Arabia. Shortlisting in progress at ITL head office. Face-to-face interviews at below locations: Vizag 9 September, Kolkata 12 September, Surat 15, Cochin 17, Mumbai 18, Echapur 10 and 11 September, Baroda 13 and 14 September. And the positions are piping design engineer, QA/QC piping inspector, QA/QC instrument inspector, QA/QC coating inspector, piping supervisor, piping foreman, welding foreman, work permit receiver, 6G, GTAW copper welder, SS6G, TIG arc welder, and there are some other category of welders are also required. You can read the positions in job posting. Pipe fabricator, isometric drawing knowledge is required. All candidate must have 8 to 10 years of relevant experience in oil and gas refinery or petrochemical plants with at least 2 years of experience in Gulf country. So friends, you can see the contact details and email ID in each job posting. Next is for Saudi, and the position is English instructor or trainer. Online interview shortly, and minimum 5 years of experience as an English instructor or a trainer is required. Salary range is up to 2,50,000 and other benefits. You can see the contact details below. Next is for Qatar, and the client interview will be on 10th of September at Baroda. You can see the positions: pipe fabricators, inconel welders, fire and hole watcher, welding foreman, rigging foreman, piping foreman, flange technician, and plasma cutting technicians, mechanical column tray fitters. All candidates should have Gulf experience with 3 to 4 years of turnaround shutdown in oil and gas, refinery and petrochemical projects. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. OT will also applicable, so you can apply. Next is for Qatar. It's a free recruitment for a short-term project. Line interviews will be online. Positions are planning engineer, scheduler, HSC coordinator, QA/QC coordinator, E&I coordinator, and mechanical supervisor. Free food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. You can see the contact details: Mumbai, Chennai, Kochi, and Baroda. Overtime is also applicable. Next is for Abu Dhabi, for an international company in oil and gas turnaround project. Free recruitment, immediate departure. Positions are planners and P6 lead scheduler. Salary range is 12,000 to 14,000 AD. Planning leaders, site managers, rotating equipment, HSE trainers, QA/QC leaders, subcontracts coordinators, and unit WMS coordinators. You can see the salary range is given for all these positions. Attractive salary with free food accommodation will be provided by company. Duration of contract will be 8 to 9 months. Mode of interview will be online. Shortlisting in progress, so you can contact on given numbers and send your documents for shortlisting. So this is a kind of short project for 8 to 10 months. Next is for Malaysia. It's a free recruitment, and positions are engineering. The position is project engineer. Requirements, you can see engineering background with 5 years of experience in on-site planning and reporting, knowledge in thermal and insulation, scaffolding, fireproofing works, proficient in use of Microsoft Excel, excellent communication and analytical skill, attention to detail and accuracy in progress reporting, attractive salary with free food and accommodation. Next is for a long-term project, and this is for a leading oil and gas construction company. Shortlisting is in progress. Positions are lead HSE engineer, BE, HSE training coordinator, HSE engineer, HSE officer, environment officer, diploma or degree, rest above required. BE, road safety officer, diploma or degree, HSE trainer, diploma or BTEC in engineering, administrator, HSC. So the detailed requirement is also given below all the positions, so you can read it carefully. All candidates should have Gulf experience in oil and gas. So these are the contact number and email ID. Next is for UAE. Client interviews will be on second week of September in Mumbai and Chennai. Positions are welder, fabricator, CNC operator, mechanic, and electrician. So friends, whenever you apply for these positions, don't forget to mention the job code for a job code given in the subject line of email along with the position you are applying for. So these are their offices: Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Cochin, Baroda, and Delhi. But the interviews will be in Mumbai and Chennai. Next is for Qatar. Shortlisting in progress, and the vacancies are in large number. Client interview soon, and the positions are technicians, electricians, instrument fitter, electrical fitter, instrument tube, foreman, charge hand, electrical, foreman, charge hand, instrument, QC inspector, supervisor, electrical and instrument, technicians, fiber optic, technician, instrument, helper, electrical and instrument. All above positions candidate must have shutdown experience in Gulf countries. Free food, medical and accommodation will be provided by company. Here also you can see the same locations: Mumbai, Baroda, Cochin and Chennai. Next is completely free recruitment for Saudi Arabia, and this is for a warehouse. Position is warehouse associate helper. Face to face client interviews will be on 6th of September in Chennai. You can read the detailed requirements, take a screenshot if needed. So friends, going forward there are many requirement free recruitments, so please don't skip, watch complete video. This is for Saudi long term project, and this is also free recruitment, and the positions are supervisors, crane operator. Salary range is 6,000 to 8,000 Saudi Riyal. Supervisor lifting and rigging, foreman crane operation, foreman riggers, technician riggers, and forklift operators. So you can see salary range is given for all the positions. Candidate of any nationality having 12 to 15 years of relevant experience in the applied position with proven track record with extensive experience in shipping offshore industry may apply with supporting documents for immediate shortlisting. So friends, this is not only for this job posting but for all the job posting. Whenever you apply for a job, don't forget to include or attach your all the supportive documents. It helps to get your CV shortlisted quickly. Next is for long term project for offshore job in UAE. Positions are rigging, scaffolding, painting, building, and fabrication. Uh, Only shortlisted candidate will be contacted. So you send the document first. If shortlisted, they'll contact you. Next is for Abu Dhabi for a long-term project. Positions are construction manager, construction superintendent, project manager, project control manager, estimation manager, bidding manager, procurement manager, contract manager, interface manager, contract engineer, procurement engineer, SPIR coordinator, expeditor, mechanical and E&I, project engineer, lead planning engineer, quantity surveyor, pipeline engineer, plant and equipment engineer, telecom engineer, electrical engineer, mechanical engineer, interface coordinator, HR manager, admin camp. So you can see HR admin positions are also there, and many technical manager level positions are also there. So they will be providing attractive salary. Client interviews will be on 13th of September at Mumbai. All category must have mechanical, electrical background. Oil and gas experience is preferred. Minimum 8 years of experience. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. You can see the contact numbers and email ID. Next is for Oman, long term project. This is also completely free recruitment, so there will be no service charge. And this is for a site based division. Positions are quantity surveyor mechanical, quantity surveyor electrical and instrument, maintenance planner mechanical, construction planner mechanical, senior quantity surveyor, mechanical and electrical, instrument, and civil. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. For coastal based division, positions are cost engineer, resource planner, mechanical, technical service manager, BSc, MSc or BE, project engineer, mechanical. All above categories must have oil and gas, EPC, PDO, and construction experience preferred. Gulf experience is preferred for all the positions. Next is a free recruitment for UAE again. So friends, as you see, there are many free recruitments, so please don't skip, watch complete video. Positions are QC engineer, QC inspector, area in charge, mechanical supervisor, PA and JP, HSE engineer, environment engineer. All candidates should have minimum 3 years of Gulf shutdown experience, and because this is for a shutdown project. Next is for Israel. Final client interview in Delhi next week. Positions are metallic wall panel installer, metallic false ceiling installer, cable tray installer, and duct installer. Must have minimum work experience of 6 years in the relevant field, work experience with aluminium and other materials which required careful handling. Must be able to read and speak English, must have driving license. You can apply on using below contact details. Next is also free recruitment for Saudi Arabia, and interviews also going to be online interview. Positions are QC supervisors piping and QC supervisor structure. Food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Salary is negotiable, and this is a long term project. Working hours 10 hours per day, 28 days per month. Minimum 3 years of working experience in Saudi Aramco companies. Contract of 1 year renewable. So these are the contact detail. balashankar@tss-hr.com. You can see the mobile numbers also. Next is for Saudi for a long-term project. Positions are GIS engineer, GIS supervisor, GIS foreman, and GIS technician. All candidate must have Aramco GIS assembling experience is mandatory. Next is for Qatar. It's a CV selection. Positions are electrical engineer, electrician, instrument foreman, instrument technician, and instrument fitter. The next mention are the number of openings. Please send relevant documents on WhatsApp. So they have mentioned their WhatsApp number. You can quickly send your documents on WhatsApp to apply for the above positions. Food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. They have given different numbers for senior category and for worker category, so you apply on the you contact on the right number. Next is for Korea. CV selection positions are document controller, HSC safety trainer, HSC permit receiver, QA/QC inspector welding, HSC rigging supervisor, QA/QC inspector, QA/QC inspector mechanical and piping, and paint and insulation. So you can see friends, salary is mentioned in US dollar for all the positions, and here also you can apply on WhatsApp. Free accommodation, transportation will be provided by company, so you can contact on any of the both number. Next is for Saudi. This is also CV selection. Positions are electrical engineer, specialize in substation, overhead transmission, and underground cable circuits. Civil engineer and mechanical engineer. Must have at least 10 years of experience. Food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. Here also you can see the WhatsApp number. Next is for Saudi Arabia. This is also CV selection. Positions are HSC supervisor, HSC officer, QC manager, and QC supervisor. Free food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi. Again, CV selection. Position is material controller. Previous experience in any Korean company is required. Food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for UAE, for a leading metal foundry company. Final client interview at Coimbatore on 15th of September. You can see the interview address. Positions are grinder, lifting supervisor, health treatment operator, heat treatment operator, foreman, fittling, maintenance electrical technician, maintenance mechanical technicians, attractive salary and other benefits provided by company. So Madurai office and Chennai office contact detail you can see. Next is for Kuwait. Client interview will be on 10th and 11th of September at Chennai. Positions are mechanical maintenance engineer, machine shop engineer, mechanical maintenance supervisor, welding and fabrication supervisor, machinist, TIG and arc welder, bench fitter, shop fitter, general fitter, mechanical fitter, rigger, pipe fabricator, assistant pipe fitter, general fitter, mechanical helper, and industrial helper. All candidates should have relevant experience in oil and gas project. Attractive salary, free food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. OT is also applicable. Below are the contact details. Next is for Israel, building construction company, shortlisting in progress, Gulf experience required. Position is construction manager. 15 to 20 years of experience in building construction is required. Must have degree in civil engineering. You can see the other detailed requirements are given in the posting. And the second position is bus driver, must hold valid original Gulf bus driver license. So free food accommodation will be provided by company. So friends, if you don't have contact number, you can search out for the Asia Power office in Mumbai. You will get it easily. Next is free recruitment for Saudi Arabia for a aluminium extension company. Electrical technician, the detailed requirement is given. Take a screenshot and read out carefully before you apply. Next is for Saudi, walk-in shortlisting in progress. Zoom interviews, vacancies in large number. Positions are camp administrator, site administrator cum coordinator, safety manager, safety supervisor, procurement QC, environment engineer, project manager, and automation engineer. Gulf experience is must. Attractive salary, free food, accommodation, and transportation will be provided by company. Degree or diploma in respective discipline with minimum 5 to 10 years of experience in relevant field. Next is for Greece, urgently required for a leading food production factory. Positions are maintenance technicians, retail, flow pack machine, horizontal and vertical. Second position is packer, production sorter. So you can see the detailed requirements are given for both the positions. You can please read it carefully. Next is for Kuwait, online Zoom interviews, Gulf return UAE KSA experienced candidates only. So the positions are restaurant or shift manager, assistant restaurant shift manager, assistant restaurant shift supervisor, and outlet manager. You can see the salary is mentioned for all the positions. 9 hours duty plus overtime, duty meal, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. Candidates who are available in India only apply. Next is for Kuwait, and the positions are contract engineer, maintenance planning engineer, engineer rotating equipment, civil engineer, maintenance, general fitter, machinist, tool room attendant, and industrial labor. So you can send your document for shortlisting. Direct client interview will be on 21st of September in Chennai. Next is for Dubai airports, and the positions are junior electrical technician and junior mechanical technicians, diploma with 1 to 2 years of experience candidates only. Salary will be 1500 AD plus 300 for food. Interview will be scheduled only in their office, so you can send your documents SEV on the given WhatsApp number. Free accommodation, medical insurance, and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for UA, online or telephonic interview. Position is sales and marketing engineer or sales lead. Salary will be discussed during the interview. Rest all other details are same. Next is for Abu Dhabi, mega shutdown projects. Positions instrument technicians, and this is for 3 months project. Number of openings are 150. Salary will be 1800 to 2000 AD plus high OT plus free food and accommodation. So ITI or diploma in instrumentation engineering, minimum 3 years of experience in oil and gas projects. Please send your CV to the WhatsApp or email. Client interviews will be in Mumbai on 8 September, and in Cochin will be on 12th of September. Next is for Saudi Aramco project, final client interview at Trichy on 9th of September. Positions are field operator, senior civil engineer, safety engineers or officers, senior accountants, supervisors, foreman, hydrojeters, fabricators, boiler operators, chemical technicians, electrical foreman, auto spray painter, generator mechanics, auto electricians, and you can see good salary, food, accommodation, and other benefits will be provided by company. And face-to-face client interview will be on 9th of September at 3G. Next is for Kuwait. Client interview will be on 21st of September at Chennai for oil and gas maintenance project. Positions are mechanical maintenance engineer, contract administrator, mechanical maintenance supervisor, rotating equipment supervisor, supervisor tool room, mechanical maintenance foreman, executive secretary, and senior scheduler and scheduler. So you can see the contact details and email ID below. Next is for Oman. Interview is going to be online. Positions are production engineer, estimation engineer, design engineer, and QC inspector. Qualification diploma, BE or BTech. Experience minimum 5+ years of experience in oil and gas industry. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi. Position is man lift technicians. Salary will be 4,500 Saudi Riyal. Diploma holder, minimum 10 years experience. Can troubleshoot, maintain, and repair all breakdown related to AWP, electrical, hydraulic, and diesel problems. Hands on Yadain and JLG troubleshooting and repairing. So you can see the contact details below. WhatsApp number for calling and text. Next is for UAE. Employment permit, immediate departure. Positions are all-rounder mason, plaster mason, mason, electrician, plumber, helper, joinery carpenter, shuttering carpenter, steel fixer, AC technician, gypsum carpenter, and civil foreman. Accommodation, transportation, and medical will be provided by company. Next is for UAE, online or telephonic interview. Position is design and estimation engineer. Number of opening 5. Bachelor of Engineering, Mechanical or Electrical or equivalent. At least 2 years of experience in firefighting, fire suppression, fire alarm, and detection system. You can see the contact details below. Next is for Saudi. SEC approval required. Salary will be 6,000 to 10,000 including facilities allowances. Positions are team leader, testing and commissioning engineer, senior testing and commissioning engineer, junior testing and commissioning engineer. You can see the detailed requirements are given in eligibility section. Next is for Qatar, for hospitality group. Positions are service cook, assistant cook, grill man, chapati maker, salad maker, samosa maker, butcher, and kitchen helper. Age between 21 to 35 years, minimum 2 years of experience in respective field, good communication skill in English, free food accommodation will be provided by company. Client interviews will be on 10 September at Mangalore. You can see the contact details below. Next is the position which I have previously also posted. This is for hypermarket job. So the position are store manager, assistant store manager, housekeeping supervisor, salad and juice maker, then salesman, section supervisor, con- confectioner and baker, butcher and fish cutter. So these all positions are required for a hypermarket in UAE, and client interview will be on between 10 to 18th of September. So on 10th September and 11th September will be in Chennai, 14 Kolkata, 15 Siliguri and 18 at Bangalore. These are the contact details. So friends, thank you for watching complete video. I really appreciate your patience. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you should get daily job alerts. Thank you for watching.